In a defining moment for India's defense narrative, two senior women officers, Colonel Sofiya Qureshi and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, stood beside Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri to brief the nation on Operation Sindoor, under which India struck 9 terror infrastructures in Pakistan and Pak-occupied Kashmir. Colonel Sofiya Qureshi, hailing from Gujarat and a postgraduate in biochemistry, is an officer of the Indian Army's Corps of Signals, backbone of military communications and information systems. In 2016, she etched her name in history as the first Indian woman officer to command a contingent at Exercise Force 18, the largest multinational military exercise ever hosted by India with participation from 18 nations. Leading a 40-member team, she was the only women contingent commander at the event. Her credentials include over 6 years of service in UN peacekeeping operations, including the Congo mission in 2006. Leadership runs in her blood. Her grandfather was in the army and she is married to an officer from the mechanized infantry. Joining her at the dais was Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, who dreamed of flying since school. She joined the NCC, pursued engineering, and became the first in her family to join the armed forces. A helicopter pilot with more than 2,500 flying hours, she has flown Chetak and Cheetah helicopters across challenging terrains like Jammu and Kashmir and the Northeast. She received a permanent commission in the Indian Air Force on December 18, 2019. One of her notable missions was a critical rescue operation in Arunachal Pradesh in November 2020. Their joint presence at the Operation Sindoor briefing not only sends a message of resolve to the enemy but also pays heartfelt tribute to the widows of those martyred in the April 22 Pahalgam terror attack. It signals a new era where Indian women are not only part of the forces, they lead from the front.